All right, guys. I'm gonna go over a couple things that are really on my mind right now this time of day. This video is gonna be really about my recap Friday since I didn't make one. I didn't trade Friday, and there was a reason for that. I had a there was a stock. Okay, this stock right here, BSPM. And these past 2 days, I've been missing out on huge profits, absolutely monstrous profits. And it would help so much, especially me starting out. It would help my account so much. But I'm going to show you what's going on here. All right, you guys can see I'm down $3 today. I made a trade that didn't really work out. But all right, so here's what happened. I have about 6,000 and something amount of dollars in my account. Hold on, maybe I can check that out here. Balances. Yeah, I have about $6,000 and $50 $6,050 in my account. And what's happening is I'll take a trade in the day. I'll take a trade in the beginning of the day, and it won't work out. I mean, even if I make like $20, lose 50, make 50, or even it does work out and I make 100 and then or lose 100, you know, what happens is that money that I buy the stock with, it's tied up now. As you guys can see, unsettled funds, $1,400 now. So I can't use that because of the day trading rule. I can't use that until Wednesday now because it'll settle. You get Tuesday, it won't settle, and I have to use the remaining of my cash account. So what my goal is to do is use half my buying power with my cash, and use half it Monday, half of it Tuesday, and then that half I used Monday will be settled by Wednesday, and so on. So I can trade every single day, once a day, the whole week, without getting penalized. Thing is, I'm not buying on margin; it's just strictly cash. So what happens is I'll buy a stock. My first trade of the day. We'll go over it. Um, it was on P. Hold on. What is it doing this? It was on PXS. Okay. Wait, no, I tried to buy PXS and I didn't. Wait, what? All right, MYSZ. Okay, we'll go over MYSZ right now. MYSZ. MYSZ. So I buy 500 shares. I'll buy 500 shares. I bought 500 shares today at the break of pre-market highs, which is right here. Pre-market high was pre-market high was 287. So I bought at 288. I think 280. It says 289. Whatever. So I buy at 289, and then I also sold at 289. Wait, is this from today? Yeah, okay. So I sold at 289. I don't know how I'm only down $3 though. That's weird. I should be down like 8. I mean, same thing, but the whole point is all right, so I buy that and I don't make any money, okay? It doesn't push through. It pushes to 295, and I mean, I was thinking like $3, break $3, of course. So I was thinking like that. I was thinking it would hit my target and I'd be good. I'd hit my daily target. It doesn't, so I sell. And there's a huge seller at $3, I think it was, or 295 or something like that. But anyways, I sell. So that cash is gone. I can't use that until Wednesday. Okay. So and then I pulled up this stock OSN. My buddy called it out in this Discord chat. OSN. And it's just like, I mean, it's really annoying because you can ask my friends in the Discord. I'm literally calling this out like step for step what it's gonna do. First of all, it gets halted right here at the high is 678. I wanted to get in at the break of this at 680. Okay, 500 shares, or maybe I might have bought smaller, but I was thinking I wanted to buy 500 shares. Okay, so it pulls back a little bit. Okay, and then it finds its little ground and it starts pushing back up, and I see this volume coming in, and I'm like, okay, I want to buy. Oh my goodness! All right, so this is what happened today. I was looking at another stock, PXS. You guys can see here, PXS. I was looking at that stock while this stock was halted. OSN was halted. So what happened was, it's like literally as soon as I started looking at PXS, OSN gets unhalted, and I look back over to OSN because I have a couple charts on my screens. Look back over, and it gets unhalted and it starts running. Okay, and then it runs from about 680. At this point, it's already at like $7, breaking $7. And you gotta remember, this thing's whipping back and forth because of the spreads are so high in this level 2 right here. And that's what happens when there's a lot of volume, supply and demand. The bid will be at $7 and the ask will be at 750, and then the bid will meet the ask, and that's when we start seeing pushes. So I can't get in now because it's already way above what my entry level was, my strategy level. So I can't get in there. Okay, and what happens is it gets halted again at 7.99, I think. When did it get halted again? Yeah, I think it gets halted at 7.99 again. But then at this point, it gets halted. It actually doesn't hold those levels. So then it falls. Okay, so now it's fell, and then now it's consolidating. And I was watching the consolidation. I was like, all right, so the break of 650, right? Okay, so I wanted an entry at the break of 650. Okay, that would have been ideal for me. So I saw it do it once, but it was like 651. Or no, it didn't even hit 650. It kept like trying to hit 650, but it wouldn't get there. So I was kind of worried about it. I was like, all right, I'll just let it consolidate a little bit. And as you can see, it's holding these levels right here, about $6. Still, this one's staying above $6, 610. It breaks 650 this time. All right, so it breaks 650 right here, 651, and I wanted to get in, but it didn't really fall. It didn't really it was kind of just staying there. It wasn't doing much, right? 650, 650, and I was like, all right, it bursted through 650. I can even enter in at the break of the VWAP at 670. It breaks the VWAP right here, and look what this thing does. This would have been like almost pretty much stress free. I would have been able to press this thing.
That was easy.
For literally, okay, so let's say I get in at 670. I'll get in at 670. I won't even say I get in at 650. 670, 500 shares. This thing goes all the way to about $8. It gets halted right here, I think. Yeah, it gets halted right here at $8, okay? So what happens is, all right, so 670, and then I get to $8, 500 shares. Crazy amount of money left on the table. All right, so then it gets unhalted, it pulls back a little bit, and then burst another dollar, almost dollar, 80 cents. 80 cents. Even if what I can't do is I can't like scalp in and out of a trade. I can't size in and size out of a trade because then I'll be using too much of my cash. You know what I mean? Then I won't have cash, and it's always in the back of my head. What if this opportunity is here tomorrow and I miss it because I don't have the cash settled? So it's always in the back of my head. It's just very, I don't know. I'm stuck between like a hard place, and a rock, and it's kind of annoying. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna actually add more money to my cash account, so I have more, so I can maybe trade twice a day, 3 times a day, without having to worry about that in the back of my head. Because I really think that's messing with my confidence right now. Because what if it broke 670 and I bought in, okay? But now I bought in and I have like $1,500 left that's settled money. So I bought in and it only goes up 10 cents. So now tomorrow I only have $1,500 to mess with. And what if there's a move like this tomorrow, but I only have $1,500 to mess with? You know what I mean? That's actually settled cash. So it kind of messes me in that perspective. But this is the second time this has happened to me. Friday, the exact same thing happened to me. We'll go over that one too. Because like I'm telling you, I'm not lying to you guys right now. This exact move that just happened, I don't know how far it's gonna go up, obviously, but I was telling everyone I want to get in at the break of 650, okay, or the break of this VWAP 670. And if I were to do that, I'd be up like $800 on this stock, $500, even if I was playing it safe. I don't even have to be aggressive on this, stress free. I'd be up like $500, we'll say. And we'll see the stock I wanted, BSFM. BSPM. I mean, this one was Friday. Okay, so Friday you can see there's a huge move Friday. This one was on my momentum scanner, and same thing. Well, first no, this is because last week was really choppy, so. I wasn't like too confident, but I knew. Man, these moves are so easy to read. Look at these pullbacks, just beautiful. Pullback, pull back, push. And then the third pullback is when it started consolidating. And that's what happens with my strategy. My strategy is like the first two pullbacks, the first two bull flags is what you want to trade. And then the third one's usually it'll fall off and start consolidating. But I want you guys to see this, what happened. All right. So first it gets halted. Oh no, it might not even got halted. Hold on. No, it doesn't get halted, but I'm looking at this when it's kind of already high. And what I wanted to do is get in after this pullback right here. The break of $4 it was. The break of $4. But again, I didn't want to use my cash account or my cash because I didn't want it tied up. You know, I didn't want it to go up 10 cents and then my cash would be tied up and I won't have money to trade it the next day. And it's just very unfortunate. I don't know what to do. I was practicing all last year with a margin account, and obviously I'm not using margin. So my practice was like, what I would be doing here. I wouldn't have to worry about settled funds or unsettled funds. You know, I would get in at $4 and then play it. You know, and then I'd obviously make money on there. And if it didn't work out, I'd be okay because I'd have enough money to trade the next day and the next day. You know, so I don't know. It sucks a lot, but it's just something you have to deal with. And then there's another breakthrough right here, a flat top breakout. Okay, it touches about 440 three times on the 5-minute chart. So if you enter in right here at the break of 440, okay, let's go to it. 15 minutes in. The break of 440 right here. If you even enter in right here, okay, on the 5-minute, if you want to play a 5-minute setup, enter in right here, and all you see is follow through. This is stress free right here. I mean, it gets a little whippy right here, but it never hits your exit strategy. You're already in it at 440 and it's already at $5, $5.10. I mean, you'd probably be scaling out right here just to play it safe, you know, booking profits. But I can't do that because it ties up too much money in my account. So what I need is put more money in the account. That's the only thing I'm gonna do. And look at another pullback here. Easy. And these are easy trades. I'm predicting these like crazy, but it's just I don't have that confidence in me. I mean, this stock, what happened Friday? Friday, you guys can see last week I was just choppy. No trade, or green, no trade, red, no trade. So Friday, I'm thinking like, all right, this is just a bad week. It's not really going through too well, so I'm not gonna trade it. But it's always in the back of my head. It's very unfortunate. I gotta fix it. I gotta adjust. Great players adjust. Great traders adjust. And that's what I need to do here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put more money in my account. I think I'm gonna do that so I have more settled funds for each day, so I can trade each day. Okay. These are the cons of a small cash account. You know, you can't really scale in like the big traders do, you know, professional traders. I guarantee you right now, you go look at any professional traders today videos, I guarantee you they traded OPN. Guarantee it. Like I mean, at least I'm picking the right stocks, you know, like I'm looking at the right stocks. That's always a positive because I'm looking at the right ones. Wait a sec. So I'm looking at the right stocks. I'm just not getting in them. I'm not pulling that trigger. If I'm pulling that trigger, I'm up over $1,000 in 2 days in a $6,000 account. Do the math. All right. Wait, why isn't this loading? Oh, it's OSM. I don't know why I said OPM. Wait, is it? OSN? Oh, OSN. Okay, I guarantee you go look at any professional trading videos today. I bet my life on it. I bet my entire life that they traded this stock and they made really good money on it because it's an easy setup. Look at this pullback, and then you break over here, follow through. Like, and this one was stress free too. It had good earnings. I gotta pull that trigger, man. I really do. So tomorrow, if that opportunity is there, I mean, I'm doing it. I'm going in, and I'm gonna follow my strategies though. I can't have that FOMO kicking in. I need to follow my strategies. Honestly, the past couple of days, I've had a little like emotion in me too while I'm trading, so I need to get rid of that. I don't know why. When I was like this past like The week before I was fine, you know, I was just trading. I think it's that choppiness that started making me get a little, you know, weary on can't really see things clearly. So even right here, the break at $8, just another. It's just easy profits, but this one's a little higher price. So if I buy 500 shares at $8, that's $4 grand. Look, I have $4,600, so I'd have $600 to trade tomorrow. You know, so I really want to get this situated. You know, and it sucks because I've had so much profit right here, but it's a grind. This is a daily grind. I'm not too worried about the money aspect. It's just annoying knowing that I could have easily booked profits. We'll be back tomorrow. That's what's good about this. There's always a new day to trade, a new stocks every day. There's always opportunity. That's why I hate the weekends. I might start trading cryptocurrencies for the weekends. But we'll see how cryptos are doing. Everything just follows Bitcoin, really. Like down 4%. Look at these charts. They all look the same. Green, red, green, red, green, red. That's what it is every day. They follow each other. So we need to start capitalizing on these, boys and ladies. Start capitalizing on these. I'll start seeing huge gains. I'll start building my cash, my account up, and then we can start trading on margin once we get to like 30,000. Hopefully get there. I wanna make like 60 grand this year, to be honest. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. That's why I haven't traded really the past couple of days. It's just this little cash account is in the back of my head, and I need to get that taken care of so I can start performing to my best of my ability. Like I said, great traders, they adjust. Great players in any sport, they always adjust. They adjust. It's all a mental game. So I think I'll be okay. It's just a little annoying right now at this point. It is what it is. Sometimes I'll be a part of a couple of these trades, and you'll see we making $500 or $1,000 in minute, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I just stick to my strategies, and I'll be good to go. I think I'll be all right. Still youngin'. I'm still youngin'. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Game of Numbers, and we'll be back tomorrow morning with our pre-market analysis and hopefully a recap of me making some money, getting this guap. All right, peace out.